It's the 28th of February 2022, which means MWC 2022 is back in person this year, and the show has kicked off and day one has been knocked out of the park. As we love to cover all things related to Samsung, we made it a point to stop by Samsung's exhibition for MWC 2022 and see what they have in store and also if there would be any surprises. Hi, Ben from SamMobile. If you enjoy new and exclusive videos like this, then be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new videos on YouTube with SamMobile TV. Here is our quick tour of Samsung's exhibition at MWC 2022 in Barcelona, Spain. Most of what's being showcased at Samsung's exhibition at MWC 2022 is mostly a collection of things Samsung have released from mid-2021 onwards until now, with the newly announced Galaxy Book 2 series, with one product that just slipped through the cracks, which will come into play later. The exhibition consisted of 10 showcase areas from Samsung Galaxy, the bespoke edition of the Flip 3, the Fold 3, the Tab S8 series, Galaxy S22 series, the Galaxy Book 2 series, the Galaxy Watch 4 range, Samsung and Google partnership, the Journey of One UI, and Galaxy for the Planet, which showcases Samsung's efforts in a more sustainable and eco-friendly mission for a better future when using Galaxy products. Starting things off, when taking the time to read what Samsung defines as life opens up with Galaxy, in short, it sets the tone of Samsung's mission from now and going forward to bring the best experiences to the end user. We start with the bespoke edition of the Flip 3. Now we have a dedicated video on this version of the beloved Flip 3. What was cool this time was to see how the custom colored panels, when selected, were put together by the assembly robots. Really interesting to see. The overall feel of the booth was well spaced and segmented considering the nature of the times we are still in, which is credit to Samsung for creating a safer space to showcase and also see the products. What was also nice was how the freestyle projector was being used all around the exhibition, showing different video loops relating to the product showcase area of the booth. Really nice touch. This section here, no surprises, but next was the Fold 3, which is always nice to come back in touch with, as it's one of my favorite products and devices currently to date from Samsung, and I'm definitely looking forward to the follow-up to this model when it comes to later on in 2022. Stopping off next at the Galaxy Tab S8 series booth, together with the showcase of Samsung and Google's partnership, allowed us a reminder of how strong Samsung feels about creating a high-quality tablet experience backed with One UI, and also how strong their partnership is with Google and now takes them to a place where potentially it could be the best when it comes to the Android experience. Seeing a demo of live sharing, which is exclusive to the Galaxy S22 series with One UI 4.1 on Google Duo, alongside the rotation display called the Zero, which was linked to the Galaxy S22 series via Smart View, you could see this potentially being a hit for vertical video and photo viewers. The S22 section of the exhibition allowed us to see the standard colors of the Ultra, Plus, and base models again. A reminder also of the fact that the S22 Ultra is the first Galaxy S series to have a built-in S Pen. Now, also the benefits of a bright display with Vision Booster and also the amazing graffiti wall for nightography. As you may have seen, we just dropped our early first look in quick hands-on with the newly announced Galaxy Book 2 Pro and Book 2 Pro 360, which we highly recommend you watch if you've not done so already. What came, and this is where the big surprise was, is that we discovered that there is a non-Pro version of the Book 2 series. Now, when we got to the booth in the area, there was only a 15.6-inch model on display, but I was told that it would come in the 13.3-inch model as well. Just a quick fire for the key differences for the standard Book 2. It uses an LCD PLS display instead of AMOLED and is still at 1080p resolution. The webcam is 720p. It does have the option for Intel 12th Gen i7, i5, i3 with Intel Celeron backed with 8 or 16 gigabytes of RAM and 256, 512 and 1 terabyte of internal storage with a micro SD card slot. There is no Intel Evo branding here. And in terms of the battery capacity, it is smaller at 54 watt hours and still supports 65 watt charging over USB-C from what I've been told so far. Right now, this is all the information we have in regards to it, but overall, the laptop feels like a more basic and definitely less premium version of the Pro series, which hopefully could also reflect on having a lower price point as well. Galaxy Watch 4 section potentially has the nicest styling with the wristbands and how they were showcased on the bespoke edition wall in a circular formation. I really like the look of it. Next, the One UI Galaxy experience was also a nice refresher of the mission each version of One UI experience brought to the end user from version 1 and what we have right now currently with One UI 4.0 and One UI 4.1. Last but definitely not the least is Galaxy for the Planet. This shows the importance of how Samsung is pushing a new mindset and application towards a more eco-friendly Galaxy experience. From reduced packaging to the use of recycled materials, eliminating the use of plastic in mobile devices and packages, it's a step in the right direction, and this is really good to see. There's our quick tour of the Samsung exhibition booth at MWC 2022 in Barcelona, Spain. Are you excited with what Samsung have showcased so far at MWC? And also, are you as excited as we are when it comes to the things Samsung have in store for 2022? Let us know in the comment section below. For the latest news in the world of Samsung Daily, be sure to visit us at SamMobile.com. And for the latest videos on YouTube with SamMobile TV, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, and we will see you next time.